Okay, welcome back for video 3. Let's get started on putting our slot here and our slot here so these can go together nicely. So we're going to go back to that sketch. I'm going to right click, edit sketch, and if your scene doesn't automatically rotate around nicely like mine did just then, if it's stuck like this, you can use the orbit cube up in this corner, and I want the top view here. If you do that and it's upside down, you can use these arrows to rotate it. So I'm going to rinse and repeat the same slot I did here on this edge, then we'll get working on the side. So hopefully you can remember this from the last video. We're going to click the line tool. I'm going to slide along the line to that middle point. I'm going to make sure I go straight up. I'm going to type in 5, hit return, hit the line button or the L key, type in 25, press the L key again. I'm going to go 25 this way, press the L key again, draw this line that goes down, and draw this line that goes down. Then I'm going to press the escape key to exit out, and press the T key to bring up trim, and then I'm going to trim, trim, trim. Escape key again. I want this base to have these cuts all the way around. If you want to, you can go ahead and cut these two out now, but you don't have to. Next, I need to cut this bit here out. So, like I said last time, because these are lined up, we can actually just pull across over onto here and then just come in 5mm, and then we can just use the line tool to go across like that. And trim and trim those two corners off. Nice and quick, nice and fast. Line tool again, 5mm in, line tool again, and across. Escape, trim, trim, and trim. So again, you are going to need to rinse and repeat this for this side and this side and this side and this side. So you can go ahead and do that now if you like. Then come back and unpause me. Alright, hopefully you've just unpaused me and you've got those other ones in. Next we're going to do this side and this side. Now for this, if we look back at my original, you can see that on my original I decided that this front one would have the bits that jut out and the side ones would have the hole in the center. So the front one I need to take off the corner and the corner, and the side one I need to take out the middle bit so this front one can go there. So let's start by taking out the middle bit. That's nice and easy. It's exactly the same as you've just done here, and all I need to do is again slide along here to the middle, go in 5, use the line tool, 25, line, 25. And then I can come down off of here, come down off of there, and I can trim that middle bit out that I don't need. Pretty much exactly the same as this. Now the problem comes when we're trying to remove the other bit on the front, because unlike this bit and this bit, we can't just trace that line across from here over to here. That doesn't work. So we're going to need to draw this middle piece out and then extend the lines out and then delete all the bits that we don't need. So this is a little bit of a faff. The other thing I need to be aware of is that I've removed 5mm off of this piece here. So the center of my line now will be higher up. So the distance from here to here is now 47.5. But it should be 50, because it should be halfway. And that's because we've removed this 5mm of line just here. So this is going to cause me some problems when it comes to placing this in the middle. Now it's okay though, because I did exactly the same on this one. So this one, you'll also notice that if we go from here to here, we've got 22.5 because we've got 22.5 here, and then we've got an extra 25 from here to the middle. But something to be aware of if you're making something yourself is to just keep an eye on what dimensions you're using and where you're going. So we've gone from the middle, we can carry on 25 and then use the line tool to come in. Again, we're going to go 25 and use the line tool to come in. This time we need to go all the way down here, and we need to go all the way down here, and what we're going to be doing is trimming off this corner here. So like that and like that. And those lines that we put in to help us construct that, we're going to just need to take those out. Now this and this should fit perfectly together, because this length here should be the same as this length here. So if we press finish sketch, you can see my last one was still up and it's updated the sketch again. So let's go ahead and grab the front, press the M button for move. We're going to rotate it to start with. Make sure you don't accidentally go to 95, and then we'll do a point to point move, and we will go from this point here to that point there, and that will move that in for us. You can see that's all come together nicely and it slots together. So at this point here, I've got two walls up and I've got my castle joints on these sides and this corner. Hopefully you've got this one and this one done, this one and this one. So you're going to need to do this side and this side, this side and this side, this side and this side, and then move them all up, and then we should have a complete box. So if you need any assistance on figuring out how to do these corners again, just rewind the video and go back and watch that, and I'll see you for video number 4. You're going to need a screenshot, and your screenshot will be slightly different because you're going to have all 4 walls up and all the castle joints done. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon.